prevent the spread of infections by using hand sanitizers anywhere you go. In this video, we will show you how to print and cut hand sanitizer labels with OKI PRO 9542 and finish it with Label Maker F35. But before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Make your own label design on your design software and print it with OKI PRO 9542. The OKI PRO 9542 is an affordable and unique high-definition printer that enables you to not only print the full range of process colors but also offers white. Don't worry, toner from OKI PRO 9542 has the resistance to stay on chemicals, water, or heat. To get an accurate and different shapes of cutting on your label sheets, you can use the Label Maker F35. The Label Maker F35 is an automatic sheet feeding and cutting system designed to automatically load and cut without the need of an operator. It is capable of handling a variety of thickness and sheets such as A4, A3, letter, and tabloid that holds up to 200 sheets. It also has the ability to do perforation cuts, keys cuts, and die cuts for applications such as labels, business cards, small boxes, and more. You can make hundreds of label sticker sheets in a short period of time with Label Maker F35. Watch how easy it is to remove matrix for an easy application. Satisfying, right? Use hand sanitizer and stay safe. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website at www.labelgraph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.